Hi, this is Chinmayi. Welcome, and today is a great day for me. I'm going to be introducing to you the first ever offering from Isle of Skin. So let me take you right in.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. So this is the box that took quite a while to get done. We needed quite a bit of iterations, and I was looking for as eco-friendly as possible. We first had a foam insert, and then I changed it to I don't want a foam insert, I want something else. So the packaging, the logo, the design of this box has been done by the agency Chirpy Elephant and Ivory Skin. They both are more or less the same parent company, and it's been a pleasure working with Leela Ram, Shanmati and their team. So this is the first offering, and this is our Jade roller. It's been a while in the making. I have actually gotten a lot of changes made. I have sent it back to the artisans, and it has been made and sourced completely in India ethically, and it's been partly handmade by artisans in India, and it's been a pleasure for me to work with the sthapatis that I got to know. So now this is like a magnetized lid, and now once you open this, you'll find a chart. You'll find a you'll find a dual sided little small leaflet, and this will tell you about the benefits of using a crystal roller, facial roller. And this is a chart where it talks about the marma points and how you can use the jade roller and the direction in which to use the roller across your skin. This is how the jade roller looks. It's something that I have loved being a part of. Of course, it's not something that I've completely created. This is how it is. This is the standard design of a gemstone roller, and this sits completely in this box, and this is the gemstone roller. Now during the process of my creating this and working with some of the jewelers that I know in Chennai, I asked them about the jade roller. I bought a few which is already available on Amazon and some other online shops. And once I took the gemstone rollers to the jewelers, a lot of them told me that this is not jade. Number one of the things that I got to learn while I was making the jade roller was that what we know as jade and what is available as a jade roller in India is not really jade. True imperial jade is extremely expensive. It will cost an arm, leg and both your kidneys and maybe even your liver, because it's an extremely expensive gemstone which is available in Burma and parts in China, and it's extremely difficult to find it also. So just a small dot of true imperial jade is going to cost quite a bit. So I realized that what we know as jade is not really jade, and it's the jade roller is not made of imperial jade. Now what it could be made of, or rather what we have, Isle of Skin has made the jade roller, because it's probably easier to refer to it like that. The Isle of Skin jade roller is made of green aventurine quartz, and it is certified by the Madras Gem Institute, and it retails at 1,200 rupees. It has been partly handmade, as I have already told you. Parts of it has to be mechanized as well. The Isle of Skin's jade roller is made of green aventurine quartz, and it has been certified by the Madras Gem Institute. As I said, it retails for 1,200 rupees. Now the benefits of green aventurine quartz, if you are into chakra healing, or if you are into crystal therapy, crystal healing or alternative healing methods where they have used crystals, you may be aware of the energies that green aventurine quartz carries. Green aventurine quartz, which is locally known as Indian jade, is known as a stone of prosperity, abundance, healing. It's beneficial for the heart chakra. It helps relieve migraines, helps heal sinuses. It's generally a stone of balancing and great positivity. I happened to read a couple of books on quartz and the benefits of crystals and the energies that crystals carry, and I see that a lot of them have been using green aventurine quartz as a crystal that they can use in a lot of healing practices. Now, another thing about the green aventurine quartz is something that it's an anti-inflammatory crystal. It is great if you want to use it on your skin. A lot of people make elixirs out of it and help in making some healing potions for acne and stuff like that. Of course, a lot of this is not backed by science, but if you're into that sort of energy medicine and energy healing and you have a belief system in that, then perhaps it can work for you. I have realized that it has helped alleviate a lot of my migraines. Perhaps it's also coincided with the fact that I have been working out and I have been strengthening my shoulder muscles quite a bit. But so I don't know if it is coincidental that it's both come together, or it might have happened even otherwise. It does help when I use that. Of course, it will help relieve when you're using something to massage your forehead when you're basically having migraine issues like I do. Nevertheless, even other than that, if you just are looking for a gemstone roller, the Isle of Skin jade roller could be one of the options that you can choose from. It's been made with great care, a lot of reading. There's a lot of my personal time and interest that has gone into it, and I've only wanted the best. Whatever I use has to be the best, and whatever I suggest needs to be honest, and that's that is the basis from which I function. So you would be able to buy the Isle of Skin's jade roller from the website. I'm also going to be leaving the link of the Instagram page and the website down below. Please go ahead, and if you like it, please leave a comment in the comment sections below. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, this is Chinmayi signing out. Bye bye.